Hi to all. Once again welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. Today we are going to make crispy fried chicken in Hamari style. It is a very quick and very simple non-veg starter. For that, here we have taken some fresh chicken pieces. Now we are going to marinate these chicken pieces with the turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, and salt as per taste. Add little water if required and mix it well and keep it aside. Now we are going to fry these pieces with the corn flour, breadcrumbs and egg batter. For egg batter we have taken here 2 eggs and added some salt for taste. Now first dip chicken pieces in a corn flour. Then in a egg batter. And finally in breadcrumbs as shown here. And then deep fry it in oil at a medium flame. Until it becomes golden brown color from all the sides. You can see it's nicely fried into golden brown color. Fry all chicken pieces with a corn flour, breadcrumbs and egg batter. Now you can see our chicken pieces are nicely fried and very much crispy and golden brown in color. Isn't it look like KFC fried chicken? Wow, you can have this with a Szechuan sauce or tomato sauce. So do try this recipe and let us know your feedback, suggestions and comments if any. If you like the recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.